this opportunity, first of all, to introduce to you who are standing before you this morning. These are independent, like-minded Gusii Elders who have decided and have seen it worthy to give a press statement because our president is coming to Gusii tomorrow. Why are we giving this press statement? We are doing so because our elected representatives have actually failed us. And so we decided to address the issues that is affecting the Gusii people directly to the president. So my name is Dr. Charles Omwega, and I'm also a religious, I serve as a religious leader today. And these are elders from Gusii County and the Gusii region. So we, the independent Gusii like-minded elders, drawn from the larger 9 constituencies of Gusii County, we have called this press briefing to first and foremost welcome our president, Dr. William Samuel Ruto, who in his own love and passion has decided to come and end the year in Gusii and begin another year in Gusii. We, the people of Gusii, consider this as a great honor to host the head of state again. We also recognize that he has been coming here because he has love to the Gusii people. So we acknowledge his love and passion from the president to the Gusii land at large. We, however, have some pertinent concerns of which we are requesting our president to address as he comes tomorrow and as he celebrates the new year. We realize that our elected representatives from this expansive Gusii region have either ignored these concerns or have no touch with the ground so as to provide the answers that we are sorting today. So we have 2 issues or 2 concerns which we want to present before the president. The first and one is about projects. We realize there are so many projects that were launched by the president. And once a project has been launched, we believe that a budget has already been done and set aside. But when we see that once the project has been launched and it has not taken off, so we have realized there is a problem. So we want to remind our president that there is a project that was launched of Gusii Sotik Road. This road needed to be recarpeted urgently so that it can be expanded to ease the traffic jams and some accidents that normally happens. But since it was launched, it has never taken place. There are also some inroads in Gusii that were launched. For example, we have a road from coming from Mecheo to Kenyenya, Virongo, Ibacho, Nyacheki, and many more, to cite just a few examples. They were all launched, but they have never taken off. They have never even started. There is also another thing which we want our president to address. Bonyunyu Dam. Bonyunyu Dam was launched because there is scarcity of water in Gusii land. So Bonyunyu Dam was launched so that it can supply water to Rigoma, Keroka, to Nyalibali, Port Nyalibali, and other places. But unfortunately, the dam has never even started being constructed. Airport. There was a proposal that we as the Gusii people, we need an airport because economically, this land is contributing great to the country. So an airport was launched at Nyangoso and even at Sironga. So Gusii are demanding answers to the reasons why this project has never started. There was also some 2 industrial parks that were launched. One was at Kenyenya and another was at Sironga. What happened? Because nothing is happening at the ground. There is also an MTC college that was launched and a stone was placed by you, Your Excellency. But ever since, it is now years since you launched that project, it has never even the foundation has not been even started at Iveno. And even Yantrago Stadium was supposed to also to take place. Funds were given, but the project has not been started. And finally, on projects, there is this mega project of University Hospital that was supposed to train cancer doctors. What happened with the consolidated fund that was already set aside? And coming to the appointments, the last thing about appointments, the government now and again are appointing people. They are appointing Kenyans to serve government. Unfortunately, there are people from Gusii community who have never been appointed. And those who are already in government, they are in state sacked. Now we are asking the president, what happened to Dr. Joyce Nyabuti, who was serving at Public Service Commission? Why didn't you return that chance back to the community of Gusii? What also happened to the managing director position, which was held by Dr. Charles Ongwae of Kenya Bureau of Standards? We are asking for answers. Also, there is this an ambassadorial position that you was given to Honorable Kemosi, but he declined to Ghana. Why couldn't the president appoint somebody from this community to replace him? Why did he replace him with another one from outside? So we are demanding that as a community, we have not seen appointments of any various government departments happening, especially from this community. And finally, the cabinet when the cabinet was sacked, we had one cabinet from Gusii community by the name Honorable Ezekiel Machogu. We realized that those who were serving with him were reappointed. What happened to Ezekiel Machogu? Why is he not being reappointed? And yes, he really contributed a great deal in uniting the Gusii as a community to rally behind the Kenya Kwanza government. So when you, President, were coming to Gusii, please, we are urging you kindly, address these concerns so that we, the people, can feel that we are represented. And finally, there are other projects like sewerage. There is also softstone. We need a factory. We need this one to be marketed. There are tea. There is coffee. All these things have not been addressed, or they have not been catered in the Kenya Kwanza government. So we are demanding answers from the presidents. Meanwhile, we wish you all the best. We are wishing you a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. Welcome to Gusii. We are good people. We love you, and we want to welcome you as elders. Can you clap for the president? Karibu sana Rais.